I've not done this before, and I'm worried a lot about drilling this for this little threaded insert. So the bow mirror will be hanging from the standards, and there'll be the standard will come across this. This will be in the standard, and then it will screw into this little insert here that hopefully will go into a nice hole here. This is a 1564 drill. I didn't even know I had such a drill, but I don't want to put it into a electric drill. I want to go slow with this, so I'm just using the brace and trying to make sure that I'm perpendicular. It goes slow, and that's okay. I'm going to drill probably about 3/8 deep. So that insert is going to stick out a little bit. I'm only a little more than 1/8 of an inch deep there. So I'm anxious to see how much stress is going to take to thread that into this hole. I'm hoping I'll lubricate it with some paraffin, and hopefully it'll go into this hole pretty smoothly. In fact, I just may test before I go on and try to screw that into this hole and see how that goes.